In this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you exhale and you hold your breath and you exhale into this plastic container, and we measure the pH of the water in contact with the air, and then we can find the parts per million carbon dioxide that's in my exhale. So let's go ahead and do that. So the process goes like this. I measure 100 milliliter of deionized water, pure water, and I pour that into this plastic container. And then I hold my breath. So I'm going to take a deep breath and hold it, and I'm going to blow into this container, replacing this air with my exhale after I hold it for as long as I can. So obviously we should be able to see a lot more carbon dioxide level on that. So there we go. Okay, so I fill this with my exhale, and now I'm shaking it. The shaking is necessary because it combines the carbon dioxide or the air, mixes the air with the water, so it gives carbon dioxide a chance to dissolve in the water. And as you know, when carbon dioxide dissolves in water, you form carbonic acid, and carbonic acid makes the water more acidic. So the pH of this water should be lower than the pH of when water was in contact with the air that I showed you earlier. So we're going to do that. So my probe is sitting here, and I just need to insert it into here. And my pH is measured on my iPhone app, and it's a wireless probe. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I also want to make sure that we don't lose out the gas. So I'm going to cover this up. So there my probe is in. And so I'm just going to cover this up here so that the concentration of carbon dioxide would not change as much. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we get. So you can see that the pH here is dropping, and it's definitely less than what it was before when it was in contact with the air, and it is getting to around 4.5859. Let's give it a little chance, see if it even goes lower. I think that's pretty good. So record this pH, and the pressure in the room right now, I'll show you the pressure. So it's 978.69 or 71 hectopascal. So work with this pressure, what you see, 978.72 now, and then work through the calculation and calculate the parts per million of the carbon dioxide and the percentage of carbon dioxide that's inside in the gas.